Little known fact number three, a lot of times when people think of Murphy beds, they think it's just going to be some big white box. That is absolutely not the case. So what are the things you can vary to add some interest and style, which is what I'd recommend, because most of the time Murphy beds are in rooms that maybe they're in a den that you're converting into both a den and a bedroom. So you want it to look cool. One option you have is the style, what we would call the door style. So this one here is a shaker door style. We can have raised paneling, we could have Euro, there's many different options there. Another option is really the hardware. This is just one small board, our standard hardware. There's really limitless options when it comes to hardware, both in the finish and in the style. Or I'm doing my favorite Carol Merrill impression, put my hand across here. These are some of the patterns you can get in the actual unit itself. And one of the other things that people don't realize is you can combine patterns. So this Murphy bed uses a pattern called Morning Mist, which I would tell you is actually our most popular pattern because it doesn't clash a lot of times even with a wood floor. But let's say I wanted to combine and I wanted the side of the unit to have a different pattern. This side could have been this interlochen pattern or really any particular pattern. So you can really have some fun with a Murphy bed. It really can be a very individualized statement that fits your room. To get more information and tips on this, go to innovatehomeorg.com. We have a blog over there. It's got a lot of resources, or the webpage about Murphy beds, and or give us a call. Sometimes we get a little bored. We'd love to hear from you. The number is 614-545-6888. Thanks so much.